Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall Instabridge app. So if you use this Instabridge as your Wi-Fi map application and you feel you don't need anymore this app because of this app trying to become or trying to ask you to become as a default launcher and also default browser. If you not set Instabridge as your default launcher and browser, you cannot use this app anymore. So it's very easy. But if you already try set as a default launcher and default browser, you cannot simply uninstall this app. So in order to uninstall this app, you have to go to the Play Store first. Then search the Instabridge from Play Store, and of course you can uninstall it easily. Instabridge Wi-Fi map in here. Uninstall this app, yes, uninstall. So this is how you can completely remove, permanently uninstall Instabridge. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.